Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below done if there's a comment thing. So today we're gonna be making the Lil Nas X thingy. So I'll see you when I do it. Actually, we're not gonna do that today. We're doing something else, boom. So save changes. Do off turn. So we're just gonna exit this. File name. This is gonna be Lil Nas X, basically. Okay, we're saving it. We're saving it. Okay, so let's log in a game. Which game should we go in? Oh, hmm, hmm. Should we like? Hmm. We haven't played in Among Us in a while, so I'll see you when it loads. Okay, we just loaded back in. We just loaded in Among Us, so let's do this. So let's. It's because I play Krampus' Home a lot, so. So I'm just gonna delete all this. Okay, this is gonna be a troll video. It'll just turn into a troll video. I'm gonna pretend that I'm Lil Nas X. So we're gonna create the game first. We're gonna hit confirm. Okay. So now we. God, this is gonna be so funny. Okay, so let's just do that. Leave game. Find a game. And let's do three. This one. Imposter. Let's see imposter. Hell, what the frick was he saying? Bro, Big Butts is sus already. No, there's no enemy. Med bay. Okay, I'm gonna text security. Okay. No one is sus yet, so I'm gonna go to Nava. Oh, what's it called? Divert power. Let's go! Let's go! Yo. D. Okay. Shoot me again, bro. Bruh. Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh, no, that's not even a task though. He said it. Wait, bro. I have 0 meetings. Yo, yo. He's literally, he was an imposter, bro. He was an imposter. He's gonna. Hey, it's a holiday. Hey, who are you? It is white. Yeah, he said white, so it's white. Vote white. Just freaking vote white. I'm gonna pause the video. Who is gonna get voted out? Right, everyone's voting. So basically, yeah, it's white. Everyone voted white. So uh so white was the imposter. So hey, it's a holiday. Control ya. I need a DS. These people are like, I need a DS. Oh, oh, oh. No, no, this. No, no, this. Oh, I'm gonna type that in emergency meeting. Ooh, so somebody else is brown. So it can't. We are slow. Oh, oh. There's only two call. Then we just win, bro. Okay, he's just. He just killed in front of people. They don't see that because I'm dead. I forgot. Hey, it's a holiday. I got foes on foes and out of control. Yeah, pal. Hey, it's a holiday. I got foes on foes and out of control. Yeah. Hey, it's another way. Ba, 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 da, ba, ba, da, ba. I never done it that fast. And I can do it. It's a holiday. I got fours on fours and I can show ya. Hey, it's another way. Hey, it's another way. Hey, hey, it's another way. There is another one. Na, na, na. I'm no longer. Who? Okay. If not, vote me. If not, vote me. Okay. I can't vote anyone because basically I'm a ghost. Okay, that's it for Among Us. Uh, see you soon. And and Firewolf is out.